these are loops and rolls and wing overs, or they might be part of the strap-in process. It's a pretty cool process. As Drake and Brick comes back, when you come back alive from the journey, and everybody's so relieved that you're back. Go ahead, guys. Go, 3, 2, 1, pop and go.
Good morning, Scott. Good morning, mate.
Okay, fine.
100 knots, lifting off. 3, 2, 1, and we go.
We're going to Wollongong to the area, Sierra Kilo Romeo wind, 5 minutes to a car, should come from 5.
That's awesome. Thank you, I agree.
8 canopies, coming to Wollongong to the area.
And here we go. Here we go. There you go. Give us some thumbs up to the camera. Come on. Come on. Go on, baby. That's it. That is your first barrel roll. Any good? That's unreal. There we go. You got it.
Yes.
Look up. Look up.
Yes.
There it is. Woo. That is your second barrel roll. Yeah, come on. Come on. And around we go.
Yes. Yes.
That is an aileron roll, which you've just done with ease. And squeeze. Make a noise. Come on. There's your 3.5 Gs. You got this. You got it. Look left. You can see down in the vertical now. Up we go. Up we go. Look to the left. You're at the vertical. Holy shit. Okay, yeah, that's what I think too, yeah. You're now inverted, mate.
Yeah.
45 degrees down line.
Buddy, look.
And roll.
Yowly.
You want the other half?
Yes.
Come on, let's do it.
Okay.
Squeeze. Come on. Squeeze. Look to the right. Come on, that's... You're right on. You're 4.5, baby. 4.5 Gs. Who'd have thought? Who'd have thought? That's better at the top. Stand by.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, and out we go. That is unreal. So that's an awesome shot in my opinion.
Yeah.
We'll just pitch up, nice and high, and we'll show these guys what real aeroplanes can do.
Woohoo!
That's us. How good is that?
That's unreal.
There they are down there, you see them?
Yep.
And we'll head down the hill. Feet now. Nose comes up smartly. You got this?
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, you got it. And left, here we go. That's the way you first directed an L39.
Yeah, that's unreal.
I think you're right. All right. Just track south then. And I can see the target.
Yep.
Stand by. 3, 2, 1, and drop.
Midfield crosswind on runway 34, Shellharbour.
There's an unsuspecting boat as well. Load a bit there, some piano keys. There you go.
Beautiful.
That'll do us. We'll do a wheel stand because we can.
Hellman, 11, G 4.5 in the cube at 4.5.
How was that?
13s.
13.
Beautiful.
That was unreal.
Just so different, isn't it?
It is, yeah. Just a different feeling of that 4.5 Gs, I think we pulled. So.
Yeah.
Thanks very much, mate.
Well done.
No worries.
Great job.
Yeah, that was great.
That was really good.
Yeah, it was.